There are two major standout features for Northwest Registered Agent. The first is privacy. When you file an LLC, the address you put down usually becomes public record, and that's where a lot of the junk mail and spam calls come from. Northwest lets you use their address instead for your registered agent, for your business address, and for your mailing address. So if you have a home-based business or an online business, your home address stays off the public record, and Northwest commits to never selling your personal data. That same privacy even carries into the add-ons. When Northwest files your yearly state report for you, they only list the minimum information required, and they use their own address and payment details so that the public filing keeps your information private. The second standout feature is support. When you call Northwest, you get a real person. They call them corporate guides. They aren't a chatbot, and they're not just reading from a script. These are real people who actually understand business filings and the specific rules for your state. So when you hit a confusing step, you can call and get a real answer. And they're proud to have operated this way for a long time. They're family owned, and they have real offices in all 50 states, which matters for the next thing I want to cover. On top of the privacy and the support, Northwest works in every state, which means they handle all the little differences between them for you. Take New York, for example. New York has an unusual rule, where after you file to form your LLC, you have to publish a notice in 2 newspapers for several weeks. And depending on your county, that can get expensive and confusing quite quickly. Northwest handles that whole process for you. And because of where their office is, it's one of the cheaper ways to get this done in New York. And that's just one example. Whatever state you're in, the filing process adapts its rules automatically. If you're in New York specifically, I've got a full walkthrough video for that, and I'll link it in the description where you can find a few other state-specific tutorials as well. Northwest Registered Agent's business formation also works if you're not in the US. You are allowed to own a US LLC if you're not a citizen or a resident. But 2 things usually cause problems, and Northwest solves both. The first is your address, because if you don't live in the US, you probably don't have a US address to put on your filing, and you can use Northwest's. The second is your EIN number. Getting one as a non-citizen without a US Social Security number is slower and more involved, but Northwest can handle that process for you too. If you've decided that Northwest is right for you, the first link in the description will get you the best deal that we have with Northwest Registered Agent. And if you're actually ready to set it up, watch my full step-by-step walkthrough next. I'll take you through the whole process. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business.